How to check who shared your post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. You will need to head over to your Facebook, and all of the repost will appear on your notifications itself, but you'll need to toggle on your notifications. For that, go to the three lines in the top left, go to settings and privacy, head over to settings again, and scroll down a bit, and under preferences you'll find notifications. There, make sure you toggle on the notifications. You can toggle on the more activity about you. You can toggle on all of the notifications. And then when you go to the notifications icon at the bottom, you will be able to see who shared their post on Facebook. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.